Welcome back to the channel. So in this one I'm just gonna do a quick little jam with our new sample. So we made 3 new packs and we put them in a bundle called the After Hours Suite. So there's 3 packs. There's Drive and Drum Loops, then we have Sinister Synths and Oddities Effects pack. So the Driving Drum Loops pack has 50 loops, kind of inspired by that driving electro house sound. You can use them for everything, but yeah, they're kind of nice hard hitting drum loops, and yeah, they do what it says on the tin. So just let me give you a listen to some of the samples, and then I'll put myself against the clock and I'll jam out for 15 minutes and I'll see what I can make with the sounds. So some cool stuff here. Yeah, so you get the point with that. We go into the synths. So we have like this one. We have so yeah, that's the synth pack, and then we have the effects pack here. Right, so let's get into it. Let me set my timer. Clock. 15 minutes. I'm probably not going to arrange it, but we'll make a full loop, I'm hoping. Well, a good one at least. We'll definitely make one, but let's hope it's good. So, I'm going to start now. 15 minutes, bush. Right, I'm going to grab a kick drum out of our other sample suite to create originals. This is our biggest pack, so I'm going to go to create hits, drum collection. We actually have a kick pack, essential kicks. I'm gonna go with number 1. Right, let's drag that in here. I'll actually drag a few in case I want to change them. Right, let's go with that. Right. Put the volume on my master up. Actually, I forgot my template starts like that. This off. Right, so just make sure they're all on time. Quantize. Right, let's get it. Right, I think I already know what loop I'm gonna use. There was one I liked, I think it was 126, number 5. I like that. Right, let's drag that in. We'll drag this one in as well. So we're at 129, let's go 128. Right, let's do it. A little bit. So, let's the volume down. This one. Yeah, that's it. Right. I'm gonna add a clap on top of that just for an extra bit of crunch. So we'll go into our other sample suite. Let's go to drum collection claps. There we go. Let's throw that one in. I'm not gonna get too much mixing in this, but let's go. EQ on that one. EQ. Let's remove the low end. Right. Let's add a synth. 3 minutes in. So we go to our Sinister synth pack. I like that one. Right, let's throw that in there. It's 128 BPM. Right, let's dump 2 bars. Right, I haven't got time to warp that one, so let me see. Like that. A little bit of EQ on that. Right, I'm gonna open a synth for the bass, so let's just use sub boom bass 2. A lot of people have this, so I'll throw that in there. Right, let's pick something. Right, this one. What's that one? Right. Let's see if we can do something with this. Very simple, but I'm going to change it now. Right, let's quantize the shit out of this. Right. Let's see what's going on. Bring that down an octave. Right, now let's add something else from the bundle on top of this. So, let's see what this sounds like if I resample it. Right, sounding nice. Now let's get a little, that's a call, let's get a little response for that. Right, let's throw an effect on maybe. Something weird. That could work maybe. Maybe a synth though. Yes. Right, that's sounding nice. Right, and I'm going to EQ and add some echo onto that. Let me see, I don't know whether to go with the old school echo. So you want to create that old school echo sound, you go 16th notes, and then that will sound more like that. So let's see. See, back up a little bit. Maybe just use the top of this. See what it sounds like without the pad. Right, maybe a vocal on the top. We'll go into our create original sample suite and let's grab something. Vocal Vault. I'm gonna go retro vocals.
Oh, by the way, I got a note this morning.
Therefore, you're...
Well, once I establish myself in... Excuse me.
Hey, I've been waiting for you.
Man, drink... I want you to do...
It's not a question. You have no station, no craft, no inheritance, no land.
Glad those,
I'm just doing what any decent man...
I've heard of it. What's not my doing, boy?
You are my guest.
What's the matter? Didn't I pay you enough?
Seems like...
Well, if you're the kid...
You'll tell...
Why?
You are the kid.
Let me see.
And it's really hard. Sorry, I'm not most women.
It is the mental projection of your digital.
Right, that could sound nice. Straight from the Matrix.
It is the mental.
Filter that. We've got time for our EQ.
It is the mental projection of your digital self. It is the mental.
Right, let's see.
It is the mental projection. It is the mental projection. It is the mental projection. It is the mental projection of your digital self.
It is the mental projection. 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 It is the mental projection of digital self.
Right, that could work. Let's see.
It is the mental.
Right, we've only 2 minutes left, so let's see if we can get this to fit in.
Is the mental projection. 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 Is the mental projection.
The breakdown.
Is the mental projection of your digital self. Is the mental projection. Is the mental projection of your digital self. Is the mental projection.
Right, we've only 50 seconds left, so I'll just show you what it could sound like in some different scenes. Sounds nice.
Projection.
Let's remove them
Is the mental
synths
projection
effect.
of your digital self. Is the mental projection.
And then you can remove the bass,
Is the mental
or the
projection
kick,
of your digital self. Is
maybe
Is
both.
the mental projection. Is the mental projection of your digital self. Is the mental projection. Is the mental projection of your digital self. Is the mental projection. Is the mental projection of your digital self.
Right, that's it. We have 10 seconds left on the clock. That's what we came up with. We used all Crate audio samples except on the bass. So if you want to get any of these sounds, I'll leave the link in the description and the free packs there if you want to try us out first. You sign up for that, you'll receive free samples regularly enough. And yeah, there's going to be free content like this coming out every week, hopefully. So if anyone wants to see any specific things in the future, let me know in the comments, and if you have any questions you can leave them below as well. Thanks for watching, gang.